Такое 1 января 2024 года. Эксклюзивная погода, эксклюзивная локация. О! Что января 2024 года плюс 2 кп.
Рома Бейс, man. Рома Бейс, man. Рома Бейс,
man. My mom, I know you're probably tired of hearing about my mom. But this is just a story of when I was just a shorty and how I became hooked on that. How value was in everything, food that I ate, the water that I drank, fucking peas in my plate. She sprinkled just enough of it to season my steak. So every day I'd have at least 3 stomach aches. Now tell me, what kind of mother would wanna see her son grow up to being under a fucking Chiba? My teacher didn't think I was gonna be nothing either. What the fuck you sticking gum up under the fucking seat for? Mrs. Mathers, your son has been helping either. Either that or the motherfucker's been pumping reefer. But all this huffing and puffing wasn't what it was either. It was neither. I was buzzing, but it wasn't what she thought. Being a teacup, bitch, you ain't my keeper, I'm sleeping. What the fuck you keep on fucking with me for? Slut, you need to leave me the fuck alone, I ain't playing. Go find you a white brand and color a fucking zebra. Wait a minute, this ain't dinner, this is paint thinner. You ate it yesterday, I ain't hear no complaints, did I? Now here's a plate full of painkillers. Now just wait till I crush the volume and put it in your potatoes, you little motherfucker. I'll make you sit there and make that retarded fucking face without even tasting it. You better lick the fucking plate, you ain't wasting it. Put your face in it before I throw you in the basement again. And I ain't giving in, you're gonna just sit there in one fucking place spinning until next Thanksgiving. And if you still ain't finished it, I'll use the same shit again. And when I make finished it, it'll be placed in the shit. You little shit wanna sit there and play innocent. A rat fella hit me in Kmart and they witnessed it. Child support, your father, he ain't shit to shit. And so what if he did? It's none of your dang business, kid.
Ain't nobody fucking with me. First degree murder, you can get your degree, motherfucker. And you ain't gotta wonder about me, Wonder Woman. Tune gon' ball, money tall, Paul Bunyan. Real nigga shit, pussy niggas gon'
3 июня 24.
Hey, pound of the kush, call that bitch pound cake. I hit it from the back and make the bitch a bow face. And then I got a split, sorry baby, sour grape. She whine, baby don't leave. I duck that bullshit, vibe and weave. Everybody trippin', but I ain't never trippin'. Leave your ass flatter than my new television. I'm talking about money and the power, power and the money. This shit is magic, Stan Van Gundy. I'ma run this shit till I'm the last man running. Mac like that shit, then pass that to me. Young money motherfucker, yeah, we that shit. Yeah, we used to go hard like Cialis. Don't love that bitch, I fuck that hoe. She pop X, I smoke O's. Tic-tac-toe, and I stink cause I got a lot of shit on my mind. They say numbers don't lie, is that a 6 or a 9? I stand in front of the clock cause I'm ahead of the time. Knock your pussy ass off and send your head to your mom. I ain't playing with niggas, no sir, not me. And they can't blindfold with my third eye see. Yeah, I was locked up but like a bird, I'm free. In a coupe transform, no Tyrese. Hello, goodbye, where are you, Wayne? I'm somewhere in between joy and pain. And I reached for the stars, got stuck in the clouds. Got high as a bitch and left my love on the ground. I ain't that about a bitch, it ain't never about a bitch. I take your bitch and make her everybody bitch. Backed up by a bunch of G-ass niggas. And I just bought your girlfriend some knee pads, nigga. Eagle Street where the real niggas hung. I'ma rap that shit till kingdom come. Yeah, sharp bring the drink, I bring the blunts. Fucking with me, it's blood, brains and guts. Fuck y'all, for real though. Sleep with the hammer under the pillow. Get it to the room, bend her over like an elbow. Soon as I'm done, peel off like Velcro gone. Baby, I'm stoned, smoking on a strong, got a huge ass bone. Swag off the hook, you can't use that phone. Stop at the light and put my roof back on. One time for the G's, the niggas got it locked, the niggas with the keys, the niggas on the block, the niggas on their P's and Q's. Put your bitch ass on the evening news. Jumping in the game, better read the rules. High as a bitch, yeah, that's me on the moon. Fuck with me, die soon, not late, and I'm sorry for the motherfucking wait.
1800, I'm blunted for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. 1800, running for certain. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. Well, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Yeah, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Show me you burnt, lil' mama, what it do? If a nigga make a move, lil' mama coming too. 1800, I'm blunted for certain. Snoop D-O dubs, pocket full of dubs. All my niggas dubs, rolling on candy. Feeling like Mesquip, just can't stand that. Hey, my niggas turned up, I'm a beast, bitch. West Coast, I'm on the East, bitch. When I'm in the place, the hoes lose it. They say they love me, and the music, the spot dirty. They be getting low, she wanna roll, that's what I'm here for. I threw a grand up and watch it come down. That ain't for you, bitch. I like to hear the sound. Now put your hands up, I wanna see you work. She blew a kiss, I blew the perk. I'm geeked up, girl, I'm on my tip too. My niggas all on, and I'ma get 1800. I'm blunted, sir. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. 1800, blunted, sir. Geeking on your hoes, everybody here turn. Well, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Yeah, nigga, I'm burnt, lil' mama, what it do? Show me you burnt, lil' mama, what it do? If a nigga make a move, lil' mama coming too. 1800, I'm blunted, sir. Snoop D-O dub, I'm higher than a mug. Cameras going off, all the chickens want hugs. And when I'm on the field, I'm for sure for the club.